Ganda! Jay! Jay! Si makulit. Lakad lagi eh. Kasi lakad lakad eh.
Yan, awa. Tulog ka mamaya. Mag-LRT line ka. I-drive mo na. Diretso na.
Nandito na kami. Manila Ocean Park. Happy? Wow! Thank you lang.
Pupunta tayo mamaya sa mga
Later. First, napupuntahan namin.
Oh, so big!
Hala!
So big! Ito, Jay, so
Ito
big.
po, oh. Tinan mo ba yung, Jay? A fish. Ano yan, Jay?
Jay, tingnan mo, Jay, so big.
So big. Ang batang makulit. Kaya, koi fish.
Patay ka na sa Jay.
Ano yun, Jay?
Kaya po tayo sila yun, kasi kung 30 daw eh.
Sila yun.
Short. Short.
No? Ano gagawin na AJ? Ha? Ang gagawin mo?
Sino?
Swimming, no, circle.
Kita mo. Punta kami sa Silagan. Napakuha ko yung ticket. Wait lang. Yan. Sila yun. Yan.
Alright guys, mama, Bird show na. Bird show na.
Na bata.
So join us today as we
Ay, dami kaya.
Sassy.
Sassy. Sassy, wow.
You're not even getting over that. Three things at the same time. Hey, you guys did it.
Hello, everyone. Hi, hi. Wow.
Wow!
Wow, si Lion. Wow. Ayan. Ay, ito. Wow, okay. Good day, everyone. Welcome to Florida. My name is Sabrina, and I like to meet my friends together with people. Right? Everyone on Jersey Line. As you can see, their bodies covered with people. No color vision. Yet no white team has waters goes to shorts. Water goes to cycles, and they have preference for rocky beaches. They know it's not that noble, which and is the scale. We're all big for And now let's talk about their studio rookies, and let's start with Ida, the cutest. Sea lions can generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rolling movements of their front levers, while their back levers are to reach out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And as their normal swim, slow and easy. Thanks so much, Ida, and here's the bird. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a speed up to 225 miles per hour. Wow, look at that! That is. Are you ready? Now let's count 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody! Wow, thank you so much. Most sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. So fingers up first. The rings. Come on, ladies, get those rings. And they got everyone close their eyes. Set by up. Rings up, ladies. And on number 1, they're asking for it. So trainers, what's next? We have the ball. So how do you think get the ball? It's a walrus. The press. Oh, the ball we go. Round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Alright, ladies, show them the booty booty dance. Here we go. Shake, shake, shake. And our favorite part of British shake. Shake us to this. Come on, fingers. Yes, mom. Keep on rolling. Nice job. Alright, ladies, show them the booty. You want to go? Ready your camera on this is the best part. Steady up. Arriba. And for the finale.
Yummy? Wow! Yummy?
I play daw. Sa penguin tayo eh.
Penguin.
Di mo inawakan? Nagpan pa ikaw?
Confident joy, oh, times of comfort and times of joy. I'm happy, I'm okay, and I'm too certain.
Birds of repeat birds. Ay, may frog. Eh? Kita dito.
Ito. Jay, ito Jay, ano na Jay?
Ano yun, Jay? Oh, hedgehog.
Galing mo.
Ano yun, Jay? Ano yun? Mga snake. Yan. Ay, bakit, Jay? Jay.
Palit na siya ng balat.
Jay, hindi ka scared sa snake? Very good daw. Ay!
Mahulog na. Wow. Ay, kulay puti. Nakoy fish. Wow. Ganda.
Okay. Wow. Good.
Ito ba? Ano ba yan?
Ano po? Ano yan? Ano yan? Flamingo. Very good. Flamingo.
What color ng bird?
Duckling. Ano ka kay James? Baby duck. Ayan. Siya.
No. Ala, pumamigay na sila yun, oh. Wala.
Ay, nakikipagalo.
Wala, inabot na sila yan.
Jay, nahabol ka. Ayan, guys. Pauwi na kami.
Umuwi na kami.
Sulit ang 11, 12. 4 hours namin din.